Hello Gems, this is episode 2 of Maya, my dog, chooses what I draw. So she's gonna pick up some characteristics, and with those combined, we're going to draw a original character. Don't forget to watch episode 1, and now let's get to it. Okay, so our character going to be a monster, a human, or a fairy? So Maya was taking her lovely nap, and let's see what she chooses. Okay, Maya, come! Oh, first she needs her stretch. Alright, Maya, choose. Oh, Maya. Do you like her outfit, by the way? Oh. Okay, she choose monster. Okay, Maya's gonna choose what their moods are gonna be. Okay, Maya, choose. And it's fear! Oh my gosh, Maya. Okay, let's see. Are their hair gonna be straight, curly, or wavy? Okay, Maya, come. Yeah, you can choose, Maya. Why is she coming in slowly? You can choose. And it's going to be straight hair. This is the first time she didn't went to the right side. Good job, Maya. Is the color of the themes going to be neutral? And I know that spells wrong. Pastel or bold? Alright, Maya. Okay, Maya. Go. Yeah, go. I guess she's not sure. You can choose. And it's gonna be pastel. Wow, Maya. You went to the middle. Alright, are their outfits going to be cute, classy, or adventurous? Alright, Maya, you choose. Maya, come. And their outfit is gonna be cute. Wow, Maya. Alright, are they gonna have a pet? Yes or no? Let's find out. Okay, Maya, choose. Okay, she's walking in slowly, surely, and it's a yes! They are definitely going to have a pet. Yay! Are they going to have a magical item? You know, an object? Yes or no? Let's find out. Yeah, Maya, you can come. And it's yes, they're going to have a magical object. Good job, Maya. Good job. And you deserve the other one, of course. Alright, Maya, I'm gonna show you the drawing once I'm done. Okay, Maya? And we're gonna see the character you did. You choose. Alright? Okay. This is my first sketch, and I wrote the description notes on the left side to remind me what to draw. So this OC original character's name is Sphere because she blows bubbles, and bubbles are the shape of a sphere. She also has a pet, and it's a bubble bunny that likes to hop in the air and float around. Her mood is fear. So I've been thinking a lot on why does she feels fear in the first place. So I decided that one time she uses her magical bubble wand to summon her pet bunny. By the way, her pet bunny's name is Luna, but her bubble wand's magic was slowly fading its magic powers, and it just blows out just small tiny bubbles instead. And there's no sign of Luna. And Sphere is panicking because her magic is running low, and she desperately wants to see Luna, her sweet bunny, and she's thinking if she'll ever see her again. So this is a sad story. Oh my god. And yeah, and that's it. But don't worry, because it was all a nightmare, a horrible dream. Sphere wakes up crying and saw her bubble bunny sleeping on its bed, and Sphere sighed in relief and walked over to Luna and hugged her really tightly and blow heart-shaped balloons around her room. The room was glistening with rainbows from the morning rays hitting on the heart bubbles. And Luna and Sphere are just twirling around and hopping around and smiling together. Now that's a happy ending. No sad endings here. No sad endings. But anyway, so I finished doing the line art and now I am choosing my color palette. And it's just a rough color palette sketch, you know? It doesn't have to look clean. And once I'm happy about the colors, then I started to color everything, which is my favorite part. So I am coloring the skin first, then the purple hair, dress, and other accessories. And I don't know if you noticed, but I gave her bunny earrings and a bunny part of her dress, that thing, yeah. Now it's time to shade the drawing and adding highlights. Then I took a break of coloring her, so I worked on the background. So Sphere is in her beautiful magical pool, and this pool is actually hidden in a magical cave. So this is where she restores her magic and recharge herself by swimming or just being in the magical pool. She usually likes to only put her feet in the pool and summons Luna and plays with her by blowing bubbles of different shapes like carrots, a slide, a crown, a kite, and so on. Now I'm starting to color the small bubbles with the help of Pinterest. Of course, the references helps me how I should color the bubbles. Always use a reference when you don't know what to draw on certain things or to help bring in inspiration. Adding the white highlights makes it look like a bubble and it looks so nice and shiny. Then I started working on the bubble bunny. So I'm adding some shadows and highlights. Coloring the bubbles kind of reminds me of that one bubble from SpongeBob. And let me search it up, its name. Oh yeah, it's Bubble Buddy. So Bubble Buddy was the inspiration of creating Luna the Bubble Bunny. And I just love it so much. It's so cute. Then I use a lasso tool and select the blob shapes and color them like bubbles. So Sphere has blobs of bubbles floating on both sides of her head, and that makes her different, I think. It shows that she has the ability to make bubbles any shapes or form. So if you notice this bubble, it kind of looks like a bunny shape. Because it is. Sphere just loves bunnies and she constantly, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is always thinking about Luna, her bunny. By the way, Luna in Spanish means the moon. So Sphere's moon is Luna and Luna is the moonlight in the dark. And it makes Sphere able to see her bubbles in the dark and it's just shiny and glittering. And it's so sweet to think about it. So I added some lighting through the magical cave and it looks so nice, well put together. Da-da-da-da! The drawing is finished and I almost forgot to add a tear, but I remembered the last second of it. Her magical bubble wand is losing its magic and it doesn't look very bright and magical. And here is Luna. She looks so cute and pretty. And yeah, I really love how this illustration came out. I'm really proud of myself. So a pat on the back right there. Maya! Hello, Maya. I have to finish drawing here, Maya. Look! This is a drawing I made. Here's the drawing. Wait. Do you like it? No? Well, I don't know if she likes it, but I do. So this is Sphere. I will say I'm proud of the coloring. It's so chef's kiss. Like, I like the detail of it. At first, I wasn't sure if I really liked it, but I actually do. Turns out good. Right, Maya? Right? Okay. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down a emoji bubble. Yes. For Sphere, the bubble monster. She is a very good monster, by the way. And see ya in the next video. Bye!